Hi. Today I'm sharing a Photoshop tutorial on clipping mask. We'll learn the basics of how to create a clipping mask designs that look professional, cohesive, and unique. This tutorial is as easy as they come, so I think you'll enjoy it. To create a clipping mask, we need 2 layers. The layers on the bottom controls the visibility of the layer above it. Means, the bottom layer is the mask, and the layer above it is the layer that's clipped to the mask. Let's create a clipping mask ourselves so we can better understand how they work. Let's get started. Step 1. Create new document. Type out your word. Step 2. Drag a photo or another graphic on top of your text. As you can see, I dragged a colorful image into my document. Step 3. Turn the top layer off by clicking its visibility icon, and then click on the text layer to select it. Your text is highlighted. Then, go to top layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. You'll see a little arrow pop up, and when you click it will create a clipping mask. Let's end today's lesson. Quick summary of what we had covered.